So good morning students. Today we are starting from question number 11 of exercise 4.9.1. Sorry. So in question number 11 it is given that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. That is AB is the height of the tower which is standing on the side of a canal, vertically standing. Okay, from a point on the other bank directly. So C is a point which is situated on the other side of the canal. Okay, so it means BC is the what length of the canal, which makes an angle 60 degree from the angle of elevation from the top of the TV tower is 60 degree, and the point is situated on other side of the canal. Okay, from another point which is 20 meter away from this point, that is the point where the top of the TV tower makes angle 60 degree, another point which is situated 20 meter away from that point, that is the point is D, and the angle of elevation from that point to the top of the TV tower is what, 30 degree. Okay, so I think if you have understand the diagram and you have understood the question, what is given in question, it is given in question that we are to find the height of the tower, that is AB, and the width of the canal, that is BC. Okay, so let's start. I have written from figure AB equal to height of the tower. What I have told you is question mark we have to find. BC equal to what? Width of the canal. This is also we have to find. CD equal to 20 meter, and angle ACB, it is given in question that angle ACB is what, 60 degree. Okay, and the point which is situated 20 meter away from that point, from the bank of the canal, is what, 30 degree. Okay, angle ADB is 30 degree. So I have considered the triangle ABC. From triangle ABC I can write tan 60 equal to perpendicular by base, that is AB by BC, and tan 60 we all know the value of tan 60 is what, root 3. So root 3 equal to AB by BC, and through cross multiplication we have got AB equal to BC root 3. Okay, so AB we have got BC root 3. Now our target is to find the value of BC. So we have to consider the larger triangle again, that is the triangle ABD. Okay, so I think if you gone through the concept, gone through the deliberation from me, you will be able to understand. And if you face any problem, because this type of questions are few critical than the other, that is different from the others. Sorry, not the critical questions, different from the others. So please gone through, and if you have problems to understand, then send me in the comment box. I will try to minimize your problem. Okay, now I am erasing this portion. Hope that you have noted down these things. So what now we have to consider? We have to consider now the triangle ABD. Okay, again from triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to what, AB by BD. Okay, so tan 30 can be written as 1 by root 3. AB here is what, BC root 3. I am writing BC root 3. AB, please look at this, I have replaced from this one AB, here I have put BC root 3, and BD, as we are to find BC, so BD I have splitted as BC plus CD. Look at this, BD can be written as BC plus CD. So I am writing BD as BC plus CD. Okay, now through cross multiplication we will get root 3 into root 3, here is 3 BC equal to BC plus CD, here is what, 20. So if I take BC here, then it will be 2 BC. Okay, 2 BC equal to what, 20. Okay, 2 BC equal to 20. I think if you gone through this, tan 30 I have put 1 by root 3, AB from here BC root 3 I have put, AB here is BC root 3, BD I have put BC plus CD, and then cross multiplication, root 3 into root 3 is 3 BC equal to BC plus CD, and BC minus 3 BC minus BC, here is 2 BC equal to 20, and BC equal to what, 10. Okay, I think you will be able to understand clearly. Okay, BC equal to 10 meter. So what I have got the depth of the width of the canal is what, 10 meter. And now our target is to find what, the height of the TV tower. So in question 1 it is given that AB equal to 1 implies AB equal to BC root 3, and BC here we have got what, 10. So I can write AB equal to 10 root 3 meter. Okay. So what we have got, the width of the canal, that is BC equal to 10 meter, you can write in the last part. Therefore height of the TV tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter and width of the canal is equal to what, 10 meter. So through this we have completed 11 numbers of questions, and I am repeating you again that from these 16 questions, 1 questions definitely will come in your final exam which carry 4 marks. Okay, so look at the questions, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, so any query, you can send me in the comment box. I will try to solve your problems. Okay, thank you.